Grant Sabatier's 7 Levels of Financial Freedom. Where do you stand? One of the most prominent and biggest success stories in the FIRE movement, Grant Sabatier offers a perspective on different financial freedoms of people in his book Financial Freedom. They are Level 1, Clarity. This is where it all begins. You finally sit down, look at your bank account, your bills, and your income, and finally figure out where you are financially and where you want to go. Level 2, Self-sufficiency. At this stage, you are earning enough to survive on your own. No more relying on parents for help. But you still might be leaning on debt and living paycheck to paycheck. You're holding things together. But real financial freedom still feels a long way off. Level 3, Breathing room. At this stage, you have money left over, and that changes everything. You're starting to build an emergency fund and make your first investments. It's not about earning more, it's about spending smarter to create more breathing room. Level 4, Stability. At this stage, you're no longer one emergency away from disaster. You've built a solid foundation. High interest debt is gone. You have 6 months worth of expenses saved. No longer panics when life throws surprises at you. This is where financial confidence starts to grow. Level 5, Flexibility. At this stage, you have over 2 years of expenses saved, and time becomes your greatest asset. You can take a break from work and explore new career paths. And it doesn't all have to be in cash. The amount could be a mix of savings and investment, giving you the freedom to make choices. Level 6, Financial Independence. At this stage, your money is working for you, so you no longer have to. You can live off the income generated by your investments, like investment returns and rental income. Now, work becomes a choice, not a necessity. You've finally broken off from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Level 7, Abundant Wealth. At this stage, you have more money than you'll ever need. You've built a fortune that will last beyond your lifestyle. You've reached FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early. You can withdraw 3 to 4% annually. You can live without any financial worries. This is true freedom, emotionally, financially, and mentally.